Hello, little garden explorers! Today, we're embarking on a fantastic journey to discover the incredible world of kitchen gardens. A kitchen garden is like a treasure chest right in your backyard or even on your windowsill, where you can grow tasty, healthy treats to enjoy. Kitchen gardens offer a whole bunch of awesome benefits. First, you get to enjoy super fresh and delicious food. You'll also learn a lot about plants and nature, saving money, and even helping our planet by reducing pollution and waste. To start your kitchen garden adventure, find a sunny spot, gather some soil, seeds, or seedlings, and let's get planting. Now, let's see what exciting things we can grow in our magical kitchen garden. Tomatoes, carrots, strawberries, basil, mint, and so much more. The possibilities are endless. And guess what, little gardeners? The most exciting part is when it's time to harvest your very own food. Now that you have your fresh garden goodies, let's whip up some delicious recipes like tomato salad, carrot sticks with dip, strawberry smoothie, and basil pesto pasta. But that's not all. We can have loads of fun in the garden with activities like creating garden art, building a scarecrow, measuring plant growth, and keeping a garden journal. So there you have it, the incredible world of kitchen gardens. I hope you're as excited as I am to start your very own garden adventure. Thanks for joining us today.